after you get in a crash, there are some definite to-dos and not to-dos. My next guest is here to break it down for us. Miles LeBaron, he's one of the founders of the law firm LeBaron and Jensen, and we're talking a little bit today about semi-truck accidents, and you're saying there are so many in Utah. This is why it has to be a focus for your law firm.
Yeah, it's a focus because the accidents are a lot worse. There's a lot more injuries usually to deal with. There's a lot of insurance involved. And people really actually need a lawyer for that, whether they know it or not, because they really do need the help to get better and get the compensation they deserve.
Yeah, because you're so busy trying to heal or deal with all the other things, you need a professional to handle all the rest for you. So you're saying you should contact an attorney very quickly.
Yes, I think right away, because there are a lot of reasons, and the first one is that you don't know what you don't know. And if we break that down into subcategories, the first one is that you don't know how to make sure that your medical treatment is paid for, and a lot of people don't have money right there, and so we can help with that. Also, there's an administrative nightmare that's involved. There are all these different adjusters, PIP adjuster, bodily injury adjuster, underinsured motorist adjuster. All these people are calling you and you don't know how to deal with that, and so we can help navigate that maze, and we handle that so you don't have to.
Yeah, now you also say, so we contact an attorney quickly, get medical attention quickly, but tell people what's the best way to document when something like this happens. What are all the things we need to document?
Yeah, I mean, it depends on the person. I mean, hopefully they're well enough that they can do that, but sometimes if they're being carted away in an ambulance or a helicopter, they can't do that. But yeah, if the best way is to call the police immediately, right? And because the police will help you document that. But take pictures of your vehicle, take pictures of the other vehicles involved, take pictures of your injuries. Yeah.
Things you may not think of on the spot, but we need to. You mentioned people being concerned about paying those medical bills. You say there are some avenues for that when catastrophe happens.
Yes, so this falls into the you don't know what you don't know category again. A lot of people don't know that every single policy of insurance in Utah is required to have something called personal injury protection, or PIP for short. So in our industry, you hear a lot about PIP. And the state minimum for PIP coverage is $3,000. So everybody has at least $3,000 that can be used towards their medical bills, and a lot of people just don't know that. And so when you contact an attorney, that's one of the first things we talk about is here's how you can pay for some of your medical bills with PIP. Another way that we can do things if you don't have health insurance or if you don't have another way to pay for things is we can do it on a lien basis. So the provider would help you and get paid at the end when we settle the case.
Okay, I mean, these are things most of us don't know. You're the ones who know, and you cover all of Utah, you said, so people can go to your website?
Yes, yeah, it's www.lebaronjensen.com.
All right, thank you so much for being here.
Yeah,
appreciate you.
you.
All right.